So no questions from the homework? Then Joel, now we're going to go backwards. We're going to say, okay, if I give you the z-score, you can tell me the area to the left. What if I tell you the area to the left? Can you tell me the z-score? And it's still using the chart. So example 6 says we can use z-score tables in reverse to determine a z-score when an area under a normal curve is given. This is in some ways more useful in industry, and I'll show you some neat examples of that in a couple of days. So it says determine z1 and z2 in the examples below. There is some z-score that has an area to the left of it of 17.62%. First of all, what is 17.62% as a decimal? Okay, I'll make a little note here, 0.1762. Find your z-score, find 0.1762 as an area. I'm getting, oh, right here? Yes? Negative 0.9, I can't read up, it's not on my sheet. What is it on yours? Nicole, can you get your z-score chart out in front of you? Kayla, what is it? Negative 0.9 what? 3? This gives you the first decimal. If the top row gives you the second decimal. So you said 0.03, no, 0.93, right? That's how we read these. Z1 equals negative 0.93. B. What's that? Got a bit of a problem because they didn't give me the area to the left, and I need the area to the left. How can I figure out the area to the left, first of all? 1 minus 0.1492, or 100% minus 14.92%, and then change it to a decimal after. I find it easier to change it to decimal beforehand. What is on your calculators 1 minus 0.1492? 0.8508, double checking. That's the area to the left. And you may remember last day I said it's really worth drawing a small picture to take that 1 second of drawing the bell curve to figure out where you are. So if they hadn't given me this picture, I probably would have drawn it. Okay, what z-score gives you an area to the left of 0.8508? Jacob. I heard the 1 point. 1.04, anybody else? Yeah? C. Ah! How can I figure out what that area is? Do you know that area? 0.2580. How big is everything to the left of 0? Is that a hand up, Zach? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. How big is everything to the left of 0? This one you should actually just be able to figure out. %. Yeah, isn't 0 dead center? So won't half, like, to the left be 50%? Or as a decimal, Jacob? Ah. So this area here is 0.50, which means the whole area is that plus that. 0.7580. All right. What's Z1? From the chart. 0.75, 0.75. Sorry? 0.7. Oh, there it is. 0.7580. I couldn't find that for the life of me. 0.7580, 0.70. You okay with what we're doing, Zach? Get the chart out in front of you so you can convince me you're following along. Thank you. All right. D. D wants me to find Z1 and Z2. To find Z1, I need that area. Can I figure out that area? Well, how big is that area? What did we say, Joel? Oh, that's 0.5. Do I know that area? Do I know that area? How can I find that little tail then? .5 minus. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do that really quickly here. At least I think I am. Yeah, there I go. Dope. Menu, run. So it's going to be 0.5 minus 0.1292 minus 0.2145. And it looks like this little chunk here is 0.1563. Okay, what's Z1? What area, sorry, what Z score gives you an area to the left of it of 0.1563? 0.156. I got a 0.1562. Is it 0.1563? Did I do it right? Or did I do it wrong? Double check my math. 0.5 minus 0.1292 minus 0.2145, 0.1563. I don't quite get a 0.1563. Do you guys? 0.1562? Which I think is as good as we're going to get. Negative 1.0 what? Probably like negative 1.009 or 008. That's why we're off by a tiny bit. Close enough. Okay. For Z2, I need that area. Make that a little clearer. For Z2, I need that area. How big is that area? Well, it looks like it's going to be that plus that. Or, Nicole, I could go 0.5 minus that, because 50% minus that would also give me that. I'll do that because it's less typing. 50% minus 0.12292, 0.3708. All right, what Z score gives you an area of 0.3708? 0.37... I got 0.3707 here. Negative 0.33. Is that okay, David? This is called taking the inverse of the Z score, going backwards. So I already assigned number 1, number 2, number 3. Today I'm also going to say, let's add number 4. Okay. Six. All right. We're now going to do a bit of a lab, a bit of an activity. We're going to try applying some of this, so bear with me for a moment. Right click.